my scrappy friends, and a big welcome to my channel today. So today's share is for SpiegelMom scraps, and you saw right at the beginning, and I'm showing you here, I am playing with the gorgeous SpiegelMom scraps and Dotty About Flair collaboration that they did with these beautiful late summer thoughts sequins and these really super fun flare badges. I'm still kind of playing with the kit of papers that I put together, not just papers, but stuff. And if you remember a little while ago, around the end of July, I shared a page with the word first. It was from my first birthday. And I kept this outline, and you can see here I'm going to use it. So the sequin mix, if you're in the US, you're going to be like, how did you come to Christmas with this summer mix? Well, as you know, I'm on the other side of the globe, and Christmas is summer here. So when I saw the colours in the sequin mix, I was just drawn to summer. And then as I was flipping through my photos, I found this one of my boys from... it's actually my youngest's first Christmas, and it is the both of my boys together. I kind of snuck in a photo from the professional photos from the side of them with Santa, and I was just like, oh my goodness, this, I don't know, I just really like this together. It worked with the stuff in my kit, it worked beautifully with these sequins, and so that's what I decided to do. I did start with this idea. I stuck down my cut file, and you can see I'm laying out these yellow sequins thinking that I would do the word first with these yellow sequins. You can see I get this far, and then I'm like, no, I just don't, I don't love it. Okay, so plan 2. I'm going to get a bit messy. I do apologize if this hurts anyone, this hurts anyone's sensitivities to glitter. But yes, I'm going to use dry glitter and glue and make a big mess, and I think I'm still cleaning up the glitter. I'm just using my Scotch tacky glue. I have got these, they're not sequins, that is glitter. It is called fairy dust. It is silver glitter, and you can see it. It's so sparkly and pretty and shiny, and look, I just dumped it all over my desk. Just mushing it in and then dumping off the excess. And so I didn't do the whole thing on screen because it did take me a while, but there it is all finished. Look at the sparkle. I love it. Look at the sparkle in my whole craft room still. Too funny. So I love how that turned out. I'm like, yes, perfect for Christmas to go with these beautiful shiny sequins. And so I'm going to build my layout around that. I've gone through my kit of goodies, and I've pulled out, you can see up to the top right there, a couple of stickers. I thought I would pull a bit on the green because there is... why did I decide on the green? Oh, because there's green sequins. Sorry. And the 2 flares that I showed you earlier are the 2 with the floral designs on them. I just thought that they worked beautifully. This page did take a lot of mucking around. I'm not used to working with such a small photo, which I think is part of what the issue was. You can see there I've got the same photo in a bigger size, but I just felt like it wasn't quite right for this page. So I went with the little tiny photo, and I really love how this came together. I like the way that it just kind of nestles into that first word. Yeah, adding some layers behind my photo, and I'm just dressing all the edges using some cardboard from some packaging for my to build up dimension. Just dressing all my layers. You can see on the right hand side there I've also got a Charms Creation heart. It's denim, and like it's a almost mango-y, yellowy, orangey colour, but I thought it just worked beautifully. In my kit of goodies I have this chipboard from Freckled Fawn, and I really gave myself, I kind of went, let's use as much of this as I can. And like I said, I do muck around a lot, move things around heaps on this page. I was also kind of trying to channel my inner Gwen. If you've seen any of her pages, she layers, like, things just kind of cascade down the page beautifully. and I felt like I wasn't doing a very good job. But I love how this page turned out in the end, and I get a lot of little bits and pieces on here, which makes me happy. So you can see I have started building my title as well. I've got the little puffy stickers in all the rainbow colours. They are a Pink Fresh Studio product, and then that together is also from the Freckled Fawn chipboard. And you can see I'm layering up that flare on that charm. And I've got these red chipboard pieces, and I really like, I do end up putting those so that they make a triangle around all the important stuff on my photo, on my page. And then that pattern paper background, I love it. It's an ombre from white to yellow, and I thought it just worked beautifully. I do muck around with that frame a fair bit. That's from a Heidi Swap sticker sheet, and I think I end up using part of it on the photo layers. Like I said, I did muck around with these for ages before I got it just how I wanted it. So I'm pretty happy with this placement, and then I was like, what else can I add in here? I want to add in a bit more red. I've got some Vicky Bouton sticker sheets also in this little kit of goodies, and I'm going to tuck that one under there. And then you can see I've tucked a red one underneath the heart down the bottom. Then I've pulled in this teal coloured one as well, which I'm going to layer with this. This is where I decide to layer in part of that frame. I can't remember what it says on there, but have fun or lots of fun or love this or something to that effect. And I just liked that little sentiment. Just wedging all the bits in so that they fit where I want them. I am going to change this bottom cluster here, pull out that leaf and put in this floral and then the red. Just get my layering right. Love those flare on top like that. I've got this too because there's two babies. And so you can see I'm starting to get that triangle of red happening. So I've got the red floral up on my photo, the red floral with the heart. I'm going to stick down my title here, and it says First Santa Moment Together. And I like that together is in that darker blue. I feel like that kind of just grounds everything as well, because then I've got the blue in the photo, the blue in the heart, the denim, and then the blue in the title. Stick that down. What's next? I surprised myself. I was like, I'm pretty happy with this. And then I actually add a number of extra things down to the bottom where my title is, which surprised me. I'm going to add this up here, so that brings that red right up to the top of the page again, and it says Happy Days. My red heart is going to go in here. And I think that says hello, but I don't think I end up using it. I can't remember. Some more chipboard pieces. I've got the yellow arrow and then the blue star. I'm going to sprinkle my sequins. And this I think has to be my most favourite way to use sequins. Literally, I just sprinkle them on the page, and for the most part I kind of leave them where they are and stick them down. I am not going to make you watch this. I did want to make sure that I included red and the green as well. I do love this mix. It's beautiful, and I love that it's predominantly yellow, but I didn't want to lose the pops of the red and the green. I've come back in and added some more stickers from the Vicky Bouton sticker sheet. I've got these little bees. Bees have nothing really to do with Christmas other than we have lots of bees in summer. Yeah, no? That's what I'm going with. I just thought they were really cute. And then I pulled in some puffy stickers. I'm going to add this pink one that says Adore to the bottom right hand corner of the photo. I'm going to bring this green Happy over to the right hand side, and then I'm like, I've got to bring something puffy down to the bottom as well. This is where I really surprised myself with just adding more. I was like, wow, okay. I thought this word sweet, it fit beautifully in there. I was like, that's really sweet. So in it goes. And then I add in some puffies. I add in some of those puffy hearts from there. Thinking that I'm going to go with, I think I go with a blue and a pink and a yellow. I'm just adding those into the little, there's just little places where they just fit perfectly. This one I tried to put on an angle. I was like, nope, it had to be straight. So I go back in and put it in straight. And I'm happy with that. And then my very final touch is I'm going to mix up some Silver Bells shimmers and splatter that all over my background. And that is my page done. I hope that you were lucky enough to get your hands on these beautiful sequins and flare badges. They are stunning. I may have some more badges on the way. Thank you, Adam. I'll make sure I leave links to everything in the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed my share today. Yeah, if you have any questions, please make sure you leave them. If you just want to say hi, also please do so. Thank you, as always, for spending your time with me, and I look forward to my next share with you guys. Remember to use my code Melinda15 for 15% off your next order, and I shall see you in my next video.